Now you can easily reduce the size of your PDF file online. Just visit ilovepdf.com. Then go to compress PDF. Then select the file, PDF file, which one you want to reduce the size. Select the one which you want to reduce the size. If you want to make a PDF of good quality and good compression, approx maybe less than 200 KB, you can make it by selecting this option, recommended compression, good quality, good compression. If needed, according to your requirement, if you need a PDF of less than 100 KB, then you can use this option, extreme compression, less quality and high compression. Then click in this compress PDF button. Now it is compressed. Now you can download the PDF here by clicking download compressed PDF. As you can see, the file of 225.44 KB is reduced to 50.33 KB. Same file, when you need a PDF of less than 200 KB, you can use this option and compress. Thank you.